Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is a unboxing of the SanDisk Extreme Plus 128 gigabytes. So I made 3 purchases for some reason. One of them I returned, got a better deal on this one from Amazon. It's the same deal basically, but here you have the SanDisk Extreme 128 gigabytes. And then you have this one. Found a better deal at Costco. Purchased it online for $50. There was a kind of a sale going on for it, so I got this for 128 gigabyte size. So far I've heard good reviews on it, so I'm gonna see how it is. Alright, I'm gonna do an unboxing of these now. See how they are inside. That's pretty much it, guys, for this. Nothing else in there. There's a little Rescue Pro Deluxe exclusive offer for our Valley SanDisk customers. Free download deluxe recovery software. That's inside here. You can get a little sticker for it. By the way, if you guys didn't know, this shoots in 4K Ultra HD. This is a lot useful for GoPros and drones and Androids as well. Now this is the same one, but a 2-pack that you get from Costco. As it mentions here, it's extremely fast, transfer rate is quick, and you can have it as a quick app performance as well, and it captures smooth 4K video. I've used one of these before actually, and I like it. SanDisk is a pretty good company in terms of storage, so I highly recommend using it, so that's why I bought it again. But let me try to open this one now. Cue the music. I've never opened a 2-pack. Tupac, you know, Tupac 2-pack. I don't know how I'm gonna open this, but let's see. Alright guys, so after a couple of trial and errors, I got some of these going. Dang. Alright, ignore that. I had Google talking in the background, turning off the lights. But yeah, actually, if you guys want to hear a video or kind of a demonstration of how I set up the smart lights in the house, let me know, comment below, subscribe, like this video, and I can do that. So I know we were struggling how to open this box earlier, but I found out a way where it was layered up like this. I don't know if there was another way where I could just cut it up. I just didn't want to damage the front of the box. It looks so nice. So what I ended up doing was I kind of peeled it apart like I was peeling an onion, you know. I wasn't crying though, but I was peeling it. I teared this top portion off with the white paper and this brown one. And then there was this other layer, so I teared that apart. And then I got to this part. So it was kind of a layer thing, as you see here. So once I got to this part, I know it looks messy, but it was kind of covered like this, right? So I got this little Papermate ink joy pen. I started like scribbling like this, trying to make a little mark, poked a hole right here actually. I don't know if you guys see that, but there's a hole right here. Hopefully I can squeeze this in here like this so it doesn't look that bad, but yeah, I poked a hole in here, started scribbling, and then this little piece, I ended up doing was I just like teared it apart, and I got to the portion where this was hidden like this, kind of in there, and I just pulled it out, got that part. Then there was the other one down here. I did the same thing. I kind of poked a little, teared a little more, opened it up like this, and got that out. So that's pretty much the unboxing of a SanDisk 2-pack of memory card. Leave a comment, subscribe, like this video if you want to hear anything else or see any other videos. Please let me know. Thanks.